Okay, so hey, what's up guys, Barcase signing for welcome to Train Tales 3rd season. Now for today's video, we will be doing some switching with 4014 and an improved train, which is number 1802. And it's improved because it's flatter and it doesn't have that yellow part on the window, let's see. But so those are the differences. Those are the differences of the trains, and we're about to start up. So that person in AK is eating and doing stuff, and yeah, we're about to start. Here's the switch list. Yeah, there it is. So do you want to start?
Maybe in a little bit.
All right. I might have to start, so let's go.
You go on ahead.
So I guess I'll be starting now. So, yeah.
Who's your conductor?
Okay. Eric.
Eric? Okay.
It's about to start up. Just need to wait for him.
Well, if you're the locomotive, if you're the engineer, Fairbanks block. Is that available?
Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we're going through the Indiana block, and yeah. Oh right, I forgot about that. And yeah.
So we're going Harding block and over here.
Actually, sorry. Andrew's like, obsessive this is rubbing off on me. Huh?
Yeah, it's look great, but yeah. So I'm right now using train number 4014 right now. And it's going in, so yeah.
Someone in Alaska had bought it. I actually did the research on that. Gave you the Indiana, correct? Like you put it down the end?
Yeah.
Okay. I immediately assumed it was the Alaska Railroad, but the sources said no.
And as soon as you're free on Harding, you can give it to them. Alex is trying to.
Well, I don't think so, because like I said.
Okay guys, so Sortis taking a break. Our train is waiting for orders, and yeah. So that's all that's going on. So yeah guys, well that's all for this video. Just like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And bye guys.